Whoever is on iPhone, you better get your name on your screen or you're going to get a warrant.
Ma'am, it may be me. I'm not exactly sure how Zoom
It's
works.
not. It's not you.
Okay.
And I believe that takes care of that list.
Hey, Judge,
Who do you have?
can we take up this Daniel Aldridge? Because we've already got him scheduled to be at the jail here in the next few minutes.
All right, we are on the record in 2024 TR 2440. State of Kansas versus Daniel Wilson Aldridge, Jared Regier for the state, defendant in person and pro se. Let's see.
Excuse me, Judge. I know iPhone is my girlfriend. She is on my case for the bond. I don't know if
Sir,
she
you're
even
in the
needs to be
middle of
there.
someone else's hearing. You're being recorded on record. That if
Yes.
somebody has transcribed this, they're going to have your conversation. Do not interrupt someone else's hearing.
I was
All
just
right.
trying to take care of iPhone.
Sir, I know you mean well, but I've got to proceed. Daniel Wilson Aldridge is looking at failure to stop for an accident in count 1 and in failure to comply with duty to report an accident in count 2. Those are misdemeanors, sir. They carry 30-day maximum sentences and up to $500 in fines. In count 3, you're accused with operating improperly on a laned roadway. That is an infraction that carries a $75 fine. Do you wish to have an attorney on these charges, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you hiring an attorney or applying?
Applying.
Do you have a job?
No, ma'am.
Why are you unemployed?
Because I got injured at work and then they fired me.
You have a workers' comp case going?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. I'm trying.
Are they paying any kind of temporary total to you?
No, ma'am.
You have no income whatsoever?
I have none.
How long have you been unemployed?
Since June.
And who's supporting you so that you can survive?
I'm homeless. I eat off the street.
Okay, what town do you live in?
And I got the food assistance thing. They've been helping me a little bit.
Who?
In Leavenworth, Kansas, food assistance.
Okay, so you're from Leavenworth?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How'd you get
Are
here
y'all gonna pay
today?
for my gas when this gets found not guilty and stuff, like to help me to repay these people I'm owed money for bringing me down here?
Who?
My
Who brought
girlfriend
you?
brought me here. My girlfriend.
Okay, so your girlfriend has a valid license and brought you down here?
Yeah, I got a valid license.
Okay, so I'll appoint attorney Darren Patterson and the officer will give you his name and number. You should have written it down when I told you to, though, at the beginning of the docket. Make sure you go directly to his office across from the courthouse. Your court date will be Monday, January 27. You must be here at 8 a.m. by Zoom. But you make sure, Mr. Patterson, you said you're homeless. Make sure Mr. Patterson can find you. Give him some kind of contact where he can find you, whether it's your girlfriend or whoever.
Excuse me, miss, you said be here by what though?
8 a.m.
On that day?
on that day.
Okay,
Your bond will be set at 2,500 OR.
okay.
And Your
Anything
Honor-
else, Mr. Regier?
Your Honor, I'm looking at the ticket in this case. Notwithstanding the nature of the charges, this does appear to be a case involving a series of infractions and misdemeanors. I'm class C and unclassified misdemeanors rather. I'm not sure how the court feels about that, but if that is the court's order, certainly I will put notes in the file to that effect.
All right, make it a 1,500. Those are still pretty serious, leaving the scene of an accident.
Very good, Your Honor.
So I'm saying, are y'all gonna reimburse me when I get found not guilty? Because there was no accident.
All right, well, you can talk to your attorney, Darren Patterson, about that.
You're the judge. That's why I'm trying to talk to you.
Come back here, come back here, come back here,
Man, what?
come back here, sit down, put yourself in front of the screen and listen to me. I'm not gonna put
Yeah.
up with attitude from you. You wanted a court-appointed attorney.
You
I
gave me one, thank
gave
you.
you an attorney at the taxpayer's expense. I gave you a good attorney, but he would tell you this is not the time to offer your defense. This is the time for you to go to him. He will help you discuss your case and decide if you have a defense. And if you do, he can put it on the trial docket. I will probably be your judge, and I will judge the evidence and
Okay, thank you.
decide. All right?
Yes, ma'am, thank you.
You're welcome. Now, you don't leave until I tell you to.
All right, that's you doing.
Get that attitude in check, and we'll get along a whole lot better.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. Now, do what the officer said for your picture and prints and go to Mr. Patterson's office. And make sure he knows how to get a hold of you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You may go, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.